Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be smoking a whole duck. Duck is incredible when smoked with cherry wood, and it's the perfect dish for the holidays. It's simple, and with a couple tricks you can have it ready to go in a couple of hours. To start, you'll need to crush 3 to 4 cloves of garlic. Next, slice 2 shallots into quarters. Don't worry too much about the skin, as these are only going to be for flavour. Next, slice 2 sticks of lemongrass into small pieces. Finally, roll 1 lime around the board to help it release its juices. Cut a couple small holes into the sides. Next, you'll need a whole duck. The best practice is to leave it uncovered in the fridge for 24 hours before cooking. But if you've forgotten or don't have the time, you can use a hairdryer set to the lowest setting. Move across the skin until it's completely dry. Next, poke holes into the skin. This will help release the fat and make the skin nice and crispy. Stuff the duck with half of the shallots, lemongrass and garlic. Follow this with the lime and the rest of the ingredients. Move the duck onto a tray with a wire rack. You need to keep the duck off the bottom to stop it from sticking, and also you want to capture all that beautiful duck fat for later. Fill the tray with water. This will help stop the duck from drying out and stop the fat from burning. Finally, season the skin with salt and pepper. Next, light a chimney of charcoal. I'm using Clean Heat charcoal. Set up the barbecue for indirect cooking. For a beautiful smoky flavour, I'm adding some cherry wood from SA Barbecue Woods. Have the barbecue sitting at a temperature of 320 Fahrenheit or 160 Celsius. If you can, move the duck across the pan to keep it away from the direct heat. Cook for 1 hour and 20 minutes. This duck is looking amazing. It's ready to go when it hits a temperature of 165 Fahrenheit or 74 Celsius. Remove from the barbecue and let it rest for 15 to 20 minutes. All that's left to do is to carve it up. There you have it, smoked whole duck. This is a perfect dish for a holiday dinner. The meat is so juicy and tender. The cherry wood smoke kicks it up to the next level. Also, don't forget to save the duck fat from the pan to use with your roast potatoes. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to share it, subscribe to the channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.